Hey guys, welcome back to another video with REALME Reviews. So in today's video, I'm super excited to share with you guys the unboxing, somewhat of an unboxing, and also a very hands-on look at what the REALME Watch S Pro is all about. So I just got this watch not too long ago, and it comes with a lot of new features compared to the non-Pro version. I think this is actually a pretty interesting smartwatch right here. So we have the watch here today, and I'll be taking a very close in-depth look at all the features, the watch itself, how it feels like, and of course let you guys see how this watch is all about. Alright, so if we flip the box to the back here, we can see a couple of key features for this REALME Watch S Pro, namely that it comes with the 1.39-inch AMOLED display. It also is water resistant. It comes with a super long battery, up to 14 days I believe, and there is also GPS, 15 sport modes, and of course your SpO2 blood tracker. Alright, so those are just the basic features that you can expect from the REALME Watch S Pro. But yes, I have already unboxed this guy right here, and here is the watch. Alright, so I'm just going to put the box down for a minute. And yes guys, this is the REALME Watch S Pro. So I did actually cover the REALME Watch previously, where it came with a standard LCD display, and now it has finally come with an AMOLED display that is so much better, guys. So this is a very nice display that we have on here. But before we talk more about that display, let's take a look at the watch itself. So all around here, initially when I first took the watch out, I definitely felt a bit of a weight here. And that's probably because the watch materials itself is made out of a stainless steel. You can see this brushed metal kind of look around the casing all around here. And yes, it does come with two buttons, just like most of the smartwatches out there today. The top button will basically be like a lock button, your lock screen button. And the bottom button here is actually the quick shortcut key, which brings you to your activities right away. So those are the two buttons that you have on the watch itself. Apart from that, we do get this 22mm silicone straps here that looks very nice. It is a bit comfortable as well, and it definitely feels pretty high quality as well. So if you don't like the straps that came with the watch itself, obviously you see these latches at the back here. These are really easy to remove, and the good news is that REALME actually comes with, they have prepared quite a lot of straps for you guys to choose. They even have these really fancy colored ones, the rubber kinds as well as the leather kind, which I really like. So knowing that my favorite color is actually the green color, I'll be fixing this on and showing you guys later how this strap looks like on the REALME Watch S Pro. Alright, so not talking about the straps too much for now, let's put them aside. Getting back to the watch here today, I want to show you guys how this watch is all about. Before I do that, let me also show you how the charger looks like. So we do get this little puck right here. Let me try and pull it a bit longer. This is the puck that came in the box right here, and all you need to do to charge it is of course sit it on the puck right there, and it charges up pretty simple. So the good thing is that it is quite magnetic, so it wouldn't really move around that much, and it's fairly easy to charge up, so no issues there with this charging dock right here. Alright, so moving the charger back, let's take a look at the watch. It seems like I've actually put it into some kind of mode right there, some power saving mode. So let's exit that power saving mode very quickly. And yeah, so again, we do have this 1.39-inch AMOLED display, and it comes with a lot of watch faces, pretty cool ones as well. So in the watch, there is already a couple of watch faces here, but if you want more watch faces, all you need to do is go into the REALME Link app, and there you can find a lot of watch faces. So let me just show you very quickly the kind of watch faces that you can expect right here. If you just go into the face gallery, notice that we do have tons of watch faces in here. So a very wide choice of watch faces for you guys to check out there. Alright, so I'm not going to talk too much about that. Moving on, let me just show you guys the features and functions of this watch right here. Alright, let's get that done. So if you drag from the top down, you actually get into your notifications, which obviously I do not have any notifications right here yet. And if you swipe towards the left, here is where you get all your widgets. You have your full activity record right here for the day. You also have your weather that you can see more information here. So you can't actually tap to enter the weather app or not. The widget is just there for a quick glance. Moving on, we also get your sleeping records. You also have your heart rate going on here, as well as your music controls. So those are just pretty much what you would get with the widget section. So it is actually a huge loop. If you swipe towards the right, here you would get a couple of quick shortcut keys. This is your auto brightness, your flashlight, your battery saver mode, raise to wake, and of course your do not disturb. So those are the stuffs that you can get on the watch itself just by gliding around here. Alright, so if we just glide upwards like that, this is where you get into your app menu. These are all the applications that are already pre-installed into the watch itself. Again, this watch is not running Wear OS from Android, so everything here is already installed and you cannot install any new applications. Alright, so on that note, let me show you guys what we have here. First and foremost, we have the alarm clock right there. We also have your settings, your compass. This is a compass right there, which is also pretty cool. You have your activities, your workout activities all right here. You also have your weather, your heart rate control. This button right here is your breathing training, so you can take some breathing exercises there. You also have your music controls in here, your SpO2, blood oxygen levels measurement. You also have your sleep calculation, your stopwatch, your timer. You also have your find your device, your camera shortcut key, as well as your workout records. So those are all the applications that is available in the watch itself. So again, a very basic smartwatch here. It's not running on Android Wear, so you cannot install any other applications. Alright, so let's talk very quickly about that health and fitness tracker kind of stuff. So as I mentioned earlier on, this has all-day heart rate monitoring, and it does that in 5-minute intervals for this REALME Watch S Pro. Apart from that, you also have your SpO2 tracking and also your sleep tracking. So these are the three main functions, health functions that you have in the watch itself. Of course, let's talk about that activities right now. So we have 15 activities that is being tracked in by using this watch right here. So gliding the menus from the top again, let's check it out. We do have your outdoor runs, your indoor runs, your walking. You also have cycling, so hiking, swimming, basketball, rowing, and a couple more sports that you can find on the watch itself right here. So altogether, it can track 15 different activities. And what's important to note here is that the watch does come with built-in GPS, so you can bring the watch out for your activities without carrying a smartphone, and it will be able to track your location and distance. So very important thing there. Alright guys, apart from that, that is pretty much what I can say about this REALME Watch S Pro. This is just a quick hands-on and a quick look at the watch itself. On first impressions, I'm really impressed with the build quality of this guy right here. Again, I must say that the stainless steel and brushed metal look on the casing of the watch does look pretty cool, and I'm very happy that REALME actually provided these kind of straps here that you can purchase from them. I don't think it comes bundled together, but yeah, it does come with these really nice leather straps here, very nice to touch, very soft materials. You also have your silicone kind of straps here if you're into that thing. So 3 colors for the silicone straps right here. You have your orange, green, and blue, and of course you also have that for your leather straps, your brown, black, and green. Alright guys, so before I end, I just want to show you guys how the watch looks like on my wrist. I know some of you guys have mentioned that in my previous videos that I never actually show you guys how it looks like on my wrist. But yeah, this is how it looks like. So very quickly, let's get the watch in, and there we go. So it looks pretty decent. I know I'm a pretty skinny fella, so my wrist is quite thin right here. It will look fine if you are a skinny fella or have thicker wrist, but yeah, this is basically how it looks like on my wrist right there. So you can expect the watch to look like this on your wrist. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Of course, if you support the channel, hit that like button. I'll see you guys in the full review. Bye!